Kishore sound class from Narayana etechno.
Frame, sir.
Here we may look.
Frame.
Here we may look. I
Right,
do
sir.
this all.
Where is the result, sir?
Here we may put some.
You have written the result, right?
Here
The best project we need to
some
enter, sir.
amount of small birds. Whatever the waste material from the birds is the fishes. Is the fishes from the waste material from the birds. Whatever the waste material from the fishes dissolves into the water. Dissolves into the water. Thus water we may put to the field. Whatever the waste material from the field absorbs the waste material from the pond.
Boys, 2 lines. This side also you can say. From this side, boys.
And produce some amount of a new crop. That new crop we may put to buffalo. I can't bring an buffalo to show to you.
Evo, sir.
Okay, ma'am?
Evo, sir.
Whatever the waste material from the
మైక్ లో చెప్పినా కూడా వినిపించట్లేదు. ఏవో సార్
we may put to an
ఆయమ్మలు పంపించండి సార్ ఒకళ్ళని ఇక్కడికి.
birds. That waste material from the buffalo contains some number of small insects is
Come now.
by birds. The aim or title of this project is every animal or an human produces some amount of waste material. Insect. Some amount of waste material.
Obviously of 8th class. Where is she? Obviously of 8th class.
And create a new innovative models like this. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity from Narayana etechno school.
Very good.